ta the the ta ta the the ta ta the the संगे मेरे तन में सदा बज रे ta ta the the ta ta the the ta ta the the.
Children, we shall now travel to the beautiful world of imagination.
I shall be the cloud and you the moon. I shall cover you with both my hands, and our house will be the blue sky. Not where we pass, I ask, but how may to join you? They tell me, come to the edge of the shore.
তাহারি মাঝখানে আমি পেয়েছি মোর স্থান বিস্ময় তাই জাগে জাগে আমার গান আকাশ ভরা লেগেছে তার টান
মন চিত্তে নীতি নৃত্যে গেজে নাচে হাসি কান্না হীরা পান্না দোলে ভালে কাঁপে ছন্দে ভালো মন্দ তালে তালে হাসি কান্না হীরা পান্না দোলে ভালে কাঁপে ছন্দে ভালো মন্দ তালে
মাকে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি অনেক দূরে, তুমি যাচ্ছ পালকিতে বাছরে, দরজা দুটো একটু ভাগ করে, আমি যাচ্ছি রাঙা ঘোড়ার পরে, টাকবো গিয়ে তোমার পাশে পাশে, রাস্তা থেকে ঘোড়ার ঘুরে ঘুরে, রাঙা ধুলোয় মেঘ ঘুরিয়ে আসে, সন্ধে হলো সূর্য নামে পাতি, ভয় পেয়েছো ভাবছো এলেন কোথায়? আমি বলছি ভয় করো না মাগো, ওই দেখা যায় মরা নদীর সোতা ছেড়ে।
নেতারা লম্ফ দিয়ে উঠে চেঁচিয়ে উঠলো হারে রে 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 রে।
তুমি বললে যাসনে খোকা ওরে, আমি বলি দেখো না চুপ করে, ছুটিয়ে ঘোড়া গেলেন তাদের মাঝে, ঢাল তলোয়ার ঝনঝনিয়ে বাজে, কি ভয়ানক লড়াই হবে মাঝে, শুনে তোমার গায়ে দেবে কাঁটা।
Here since nursery. Till now we have a very good experience with the way the school is taking care of, the way they are shaping their future, and we truly believe that the future of our kid is in great hands. Regarding the program, like every time, we are very gladly surprised. Everything has taken shape very well, and we are optimistic that in future our daughter is going to be part of a very good school with a great future ahead. Thank you.
My daughter is studying in class 2, and I think that studying in this school, she will gain an exclusive experience. She will not only gain knowledge, but also shape character and life skills. The school also focuses on different curricular activities as dancing, singing, yoga. Today also the school celebrated the Rabindra Jayanti. My daughter participated in this and she thoroughly enjoyed it. I think the students who are studying in this school will have a very bright future, and over here the teachers and staffs are very cooperative. Thank you.
Well, my ward studies in class 2, section A of the school, and so far it's been a very memorable journey. It's been a privilege because my son really, he likes to come to school every day, and the fact that when schools remain closed, he gets very disappointed at home. This proves a lot of things. Personally, it's been a very memorable journey because we have been extremely, we have got the entire cooperation of the class teacher and the coordinator. We have got regular feedbacks. and we have a hyperactive child. The fact that he is, into classroom activities every day and is supported with lots of co-curricular activities, I think this school strikes the right balance between education and co-curricular events, along with the fact that that never-ending dichotomy between looking towards the past, preserving our heritage, as well as keeping an eye towards globalization, internationalism. I think this school strikes a very healthy balance between the two. And the curriculum, their co-curricular activities, events like today's event, Rabindra Jayanti, it really helps the students to blend in with the school and everything. And so far, it's been it's been a very happy journey. Thank you.
Hi, our girl, she studies in this school. She is in class 2. So we came here for this Pochishem Boishakh function, which is commemorating the birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore. So all the students in the class, they participated, and this is what I like a lot about this school, that regardless of the aptitude of the students, all of them are made part of the various cultural events. Now, cultural activities, participation in that is very important for the overall growth of the children. So because studies, that is normally that is done in every school, because participating in extracurricular activities and proper character building, that is very important. And to that extent, this school is a very healthy balance between extracurricular activities as well as the curriculum activities that happens there. So I wish everyone, all the students and this school all the very best. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to take the privilege to congratulate the management staffs and all the teachers to take the efforts and for everything. Okay. And apart from this, we as a parent, we are so very satisfied with the teaching staffs and all the structures and study structure, all the co-curricular activities and all. And my ward is starting in class 2. Okay, so till now from nursery to class 2, we do not have any dissatisfaction of the school and all. So we are really very satisfied as a parent.
All the teaching staff, especially whom I meet during our apprentices meet, the way they are teaching is really common. I would like to thank the non-teaching staff, especially the women. They are taking care of the children and going to take care of the future as well. And I'll thank to the management staff as well. Then the support, and they conduct all the programs, and it's really appreciable.
In class 2, I would like to thank all the teachers and non-teaching staffs for taking care of our children. ওরা তো ভীষণই ভালো করছে, এভরি ইয়ার ওদের পারফরমেন্স ভীষণই ভালো যাচ্ছে। ইনফ্যাক্ট দিস কাইন্ড অফ প্রোগ্রাম ইনডিড টু অল অফ আস অ্যান্ড অল দ্য চিলড্রেন অলসো, ওদেরও দরকার জানা যে আমাদের কালচারটা কি, আমরা কিভাবে এগোচ্ছি, কি নিয়ে এগোচ্ছি, বাচ্চারা কিভাবে ইন ফিউচার যাবে, এটা জানাটা খুব দরকার। অ্যান্ড নিজেকে ভীষণই প্রিভিলেজ মনে করছি এখানে এসে এই প্রোগ্রামটা দেখে। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান।